definitely time for us to take our ordinary coloring page and turn it into something extraordinary. Hey everyone, welcome back to another color with me. I have my favorite pastel. A few things I'm here displaying. My favorite pastel sharpener that I got a few years ago, about 2 years now. I got it in Michael's and I paid about $5.99 for it. It is actually a really good sharpener. It's got two sides to it, and this side and this side. Maybe I'm opening the same side. Here we go, this side and this side. Ta-da! There we go. And I really like it. So if you ever see one like this, don't hesitate to pick it up, because it's actually a good sharpener. Although a sharpener is a sharpener, it does the job whichever way. And my Castle 120, I finally get to use it today in one of the coloring books that I'm actually starting for the first time in forever. Alrighty, no more singing. I've not done a review on it because you have lots and lots of reviews out there about the Castle. One thing I will say, you have to know what type of a colorist you are. If you're one that actually adds lots of pressure to your pencil, or you're a light colorist. For me, I like to feel my pencil actually on the paper, so sometimes I might press a little bit hard, which is perfect for the Castle because it's not so soft as butter like Prisma, where it just melts away in blending as soon as you add the tip to the paper. So I'm able to have more control over my shading and coloring when I use the Castle. That's my take on the Castle, which I totally like. And have not tried the Prismas yet. I think I probably have, but not one that you have seen. So I will try and see if I can get some Prismas sometime in the future. But for now, the Castles are what I am using, and I do like it. It's most of the shades are very soft. They're not as vibrant as I want it. I'm a color girl. I like pop-in colors. So I'm still searching for that pop-in color pencil, because I use gouache, just saying, and gouache pops. But I'm not painting, I'm coloring with pencils. So I'm still looking for that color pencil, apart from the neo colors that I see floating out there. I'm still looking for some pencils that are hard on the tip but very vibrant and blends really well. So I've given Castle a try. So far so good. In terms of blending, it's really nice. It's not bad at all. Like, I'm able to do layers and still get a nice blend. So I would say it's a good pack to pick up. Plus you have the container, like the package itself, in this pouch, which is awesome. So it prevents your pencils from breaking, if they, from falling and breaking, because you can store it away and store it away nicely. With that said, I am working in the Daria Song's The Night Voyage for the first time. Yes, the first time in forever, literally. I probably have this book over a year, almost 2 years now. I think I'm an addict for coloring books. I'm officially saying it, because I cannot pass a bookstore, or if I'm browsing and see a book that I like and not even attempt to try to put it in my cart or something. I'm probably gonna be pulled away from bookstores with any companion that I'm walking with. But I will say I've literally just really happy for coloring books, and I picked this one up and just wanted the perfect moment to start coloring, and using the Castle is one of the best ways for me now to start something new. As you know, I use the Yukamic, and I've also used studio pencils, and now I'm using Castle, and I've started the Night Voyage. So Let's see. And you know, I started bookmarkers. This is my illustration, by the way. So this is how the castle actually, but I was trying to use all the colors in the whole entire package, but then I kind of changed my mind because I don't think the leaves would be looking great if they have like all different color leaves right here. It would be like a magical forest or something here. Anyways, this is what I have done so far, and I'm being very patient. As you know me, these tiny objects are not like, I prefer one pager and then we go on, but when it comes to a spread, it's very, I need to exercise patience, and that I am doing. I'm learning, I'm developing my patience. And so I actually do like this page first and foremost. It's like she's running through the garden with a gift, and it's like these huge flowers, and she's just this yay high, you know, and the plants are just gigantic, and then you have the paper birds just floating ahead. It's like they're going to a party or something, and that's just really cute. So I want to see what this looks like. I will definitely post something, even if I'm doing a leaf or how I'm shading one of these, but I'll show you the end product when I'm all finished. What I did for the leaves, I was trying to use all different shades of green that comes in the castle pack, just so we could see what the greens look like. It's more like a tester while I'm coloring, because I've not seen that. Like if you have a palette here of green, and I got all this greenery, I wanted to try all the greens in the leaves just so we could see. So I've tried this, just different shades in the green, and so I'd have a variety of greenery, so you can have a look to see what the castle art green look like, the whole entire green. But we'll see if that will actually work out. If not, then you still get to see what the blending and the coloring end product looks like. Alright, so I will not bore you anymore. I'm going to go ahead and try to do one of this flower.